Installing the Smart PCS. Tools. Personal protective equipment. Install the mounting bracket. Install the mounting ears on both sides. Install the lifting handles. Install the Smart PCS. Tighten the screws at the bottom. Requirements on an OT or DT terminal. Connect the PE cable. Open the AC maintenance compartment door and take out the auxiliary material package. Cable stripping. Connect the AC power cables. Connect the FE communications cables. Close the maintenance compartment door. Cable stripping. Connect DC power cables. Close the maintenance compartment door.